Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I'm going to do a small grocery haul. So, I have some pancake mix, and here I have some vegetable dumplings, and then I have some flour tortillas, and these are Mediterranean rice. So I got about 10 of these because these are usually hard to find. And I got some plain brick oven style pizza. Just gonna put some vegetable on it. So there are 3 pizzas in it, and I had a good deal. And some mustard and some red onion and some spaghetti. And I got tuna cans, these, so I got 10 of them for $6. Have some garlic. So I have here some samosas, as you can see. The samosas, these are hot from the restaurant. And I have some chutneys, comes with samosas. I got some more apples, and these are pumpkins, cut pumpkins. I have 3 of them. I have 2 more cilantro leaves, and the squash, and mandarin, green hot chili pepper. And I got about 6 of these huge eggplants. I like the small ones, but this is what they had. So I got 6 of these eggplants. One of these eggplants will make a meal. So I can just cook 1 eggplant, and that's it for a one-time meal. And they go really great with those tortillas, flour tortillas. And so, I showed you in my recipes easy eggplants. I got some Karela spicy Morocco. This is like crunchy snack. Got some dal makhani, and got some matar paneer. Got some chole. This is some laddu, and this is some crunchy oat. Some small mini muffins. This is a cereal called marmara. This is like a roasted rice. So there's no sugar or salt or anything in it. And this is a cereal, crispy rice, peanuts. Then I got garam masala powder, and I have bay leaves, and this is a spice. So this is spice blend. I use it for anything. This is mutton biryani masala, but I use it for anything. You can use these spices for anything you cook. Just use a tablespoon or teaspoon. These are millets. This is kodo. This is little millet. This is brown top. And I'm sure I got the foxtail somewhere. So here's some masoor lentils. Here's some kala chana lentils, and this is some snack, salting snack. And here's the foxtail. Here's some cilantro leaves, fresh. We got some lemon, some chili peppers. These are some cut beets. And here's some cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, more lemon, some ginger, and some peas, sweet peas. Here's some bitter melon that I forgot to mention. So I got some cabbages over here, and some bananas, some apples, some more cabbage. Got 2 packs of organic egg, strawberry frozen, blueberry frozen, 2 packs of cilantro, more cabbages, got some potatoes, and I got some frozen broccoli and some frozen beans. So that's all for this week. I think I got plenty for this week. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.